Moral and life lessons. The bee who helped the flowers. In the heart of a beautiful meadow lay the humble abode of bee family, a thriving hive filled with industrious bees. One day a curious little bee named Buzzy ventured out to explore the world beyond, and stumbled upon an untended garden of wilted flowers. Feeling compassionate, Buzzy buzzed about, gathering nectar from the few remaining flowers. He worked tirelessly to bring the garden back to life, collecting pollen and sharing it with his fellow bees to make sweet honey for the ailing flowers. As days turned into weeks, the garden flourished once more. The bees shared their sweet honey with every flower, helping each one regain its vibrant beauty. Word spread across the meadow, and soon other creatures came to witness the miracle brought about by Buzzy's kindness. The animals marveled at Buzzy and his family, praising them for their unwavering kindness. They spoke of how one small act of compassion had brought life back to an entire garden. The tale of Buzzy's deed spread far and wide, teaching many valuable lessons about the power of helping others. One day, as Buzzy stood upon the petals of a now thriving flower, he looked out over the bustling garden and marveled at what they had accomplished. He realized that every small act of kindness could make a significant difference in the world, no matter how large or small the effort seemed. From that moment on, Buzzy made it his mission to always help others, no matter how small or great the task seemed. He taught his family and friends the same lesson, inspiring countless other bees in the meadow to do the same. And so the bees continued to work together, making the world a brighter, kinder place, one flower at a time. As years passed, Buzzy grew old and frail, but his spirit never wavered. He continued to teach others about the power of kindness, inspiring generations of bees to carry on his legacy. And as long as there were flowers to be tended and creatures to be helped, the story of Buzzy would live on, reminding all that even the smallest act can make a huge impact. On the day of his passing, the meadow came alive with a beautiful celebration, honoring the memory of Buzzy. The animals and bees gathered to share stories of his kindness, each one inspired by the difference he had made in their lives. They vowed to carry on his teachings, ensuring that the story of Buzzy would live on for generations. To this day, there is always one flower that blooms a little earlier and a little brighter than the rest, a constant reminder of the legacy of kindness left by Buzzy. The meadow continues to flourish, filled with the vibrant colors of life and the gentle hum of industrious bees working together for the greater good. And so, the story of Buzzy is passed down through generations, inspiring each new generation with the power of kindness and unity. The meadow continues to thrive as a testament to the impact one small bee had on its inhabitants and beyond. As the sun sets and a gentle breeze sweeps through the meadow, one can't help but feel the enduring spirit of kindness that fills this magical place. And as long as there are creatures to be helped, flowers to bloom, and stories to tell, Buzzy's legacy will continue to live on, inspiring future generations to carry on his teachings. The bee who helped the flowers taught us all about the power of kindness, compassion, and unity. By working together for a common goal, even the smallest of creatures can make an incredible impact on the world. The story of Buzzy serves as a reminder that every small act counts and that we all have the power to change the world, one flower at a time.